Hello everyone. This video is to teach you how to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app on your city iPhone. Many of you will already have this set up, especially if you are a new employee within the last year or so. But it should be on everyone's phone, and this is a new requirement from Microsoft that we use this for two-factor authentication. So I'm just going to show you, in case it's not set up yet, how to properly set up the Authenticator app. So on the right hand side, this browser window is your computer, and then on the left hand side we have your phone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign into office.com on your computer. And in this case, it's trying to use the Authenticator app, but I don't have it, so I'm going to hit I can't use my Microsoft Authenticator app right now. And then I'll just have it send a text to the phone. And so once you're signed into your 365 account, click on your initials, or it might be your photo, on the top right corner. Click View Account. Close this window here. So you're looking for the security info tile, so you want to click Update Info. And this is where it'll list your current authentication methods. So in this case, we just have a desk phone and a cell phone for texts and calls to do two-factor authentication, and we need to add the Authenticator app as an option. So I'm going to hit Add Sign-In Method, choose Authenticator app, and click Add. And then let's pop over to the phone for a second. So over here on the left, you can see the Authenticator app. It may not be in the exact same location for you, but find it somewhere on your phone and open it. If you have facial recognition set up, it'll just use your face to get in. If not, you'll have to use your phone's PIN code. And then you can click either the plus sign up here in the top right corner of the phone screen, or you can click Add Account. When you get in here, some of you might already see your account name, and it'll say Azure, Azure AD, and then your email address. Pretty much just ignore that. That's not the account you want to have set up, but you don't need to delete it either. You can just kind of leave it, hit the plus sign in the top right corner. If it asks if you have a backup, just hit Continue. And then you're going to want to select work or school account on the phone here. And then you're going to want to click on Scan QR code. So now it'll open your phone's camera. It may prompt you for permissions to use the phone's camera. So just kind of hang on to that for a sec. Then back on the computer, we're going to click Next. Next again. Now we get the QR code, so now we can just scan that QR code with the phone. And the account is automatically loaded into the Authenticator app. So click Next. Now this is how, when you go to sign into your Office account moving forward, you'll get a pop-up screen with a 2-digit number coming up in the browser. You'll need to just enter that number on your phone. You can see that there's this field to enter it over here on the phone, so hit 11, click Yes. You'll have to do Face ID or a PIN code, and it approved it. Next here. So now we get this little message that says the Authenticator app was successfully registered, and you can see there's now a third option. And that's it. That's all you need to do to set up the Authenticator app correctly on your cell phone. Let's take a look at what it'll look like when you get prompted to actually do two-factor authentication. So I've got a new browser window here. I'm signed out of the other account, so let's go to office.com again. Sign in. Now it's going to default to the Authenticator app. So on the phone, open the app, code, and prompted to enter the 2-digit number. Hit yes. PIN code again. And that's it. So instead of getting a text message or a phone call, you'll get a 2-digit number on the screen, and then you'll enter that number into the Authenticator app on your cell phone. Hopefully that makes sense. I know that's kind of lengthy, but just let anyone in IT know if you have a question, and we'll help you get it set up.